Welcome to our channel. If you need to set up direct deposit, follow these step-by-step instructions to use routing and account numbers for electronic transfers. Step 1. Locate your bank's routing number on a check or online banking. The routing number is the 9-digit code identifying your bank for electronic transfers. Step 2. Find your account number, which appears on checks and bank statements. This unique number identifies your specific account at the financial institution. Step 3. Verify you have the correct numbers before providing them to employers. Transposed digits result in deposits going to wrong accounts or failed transfers. Step 4. Understand the difference between checking and savings account numbers. Make sure you're providing numbers for the account type you want to receive deposits. Step 5. Complete your employer's direct deposit form with accurate information. Provide your name exactly as it appears in the account, routing number, and full account number. Step 6. Attach a voided check if your employer requires physical verification. Write "void" in large letters across a check to prevent fraudulent use while proving account details. Step 7. Set up direct deposit at least 2 pay periods before you need it. Processing times vary, and you want to ensure everything works before discontinuing paper checks. Step 8. Monitor your account on the first expected deposit date. Verify the deposit posts correctly and contact payroll immediately if issues occur so they're resolved quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.